Hello everybody and welcome to EduMedia YouTube channel. In this quick video, I'm going to take you through the application process on the GES portal. Now this process is to help you apply for the GES recruitment that is open for diploma holders. The first thing you're going to do is to go to your web browser. Now in the web browser, I type in the URL gespromotions.gov.gh. Now after typing that, you can see that the portal is open for me. On the portal we have other services that is being provided here. We have the e-voucher card, the postings, we have the application for recruitment. This is actually what we are looking for, and we want to click to apply button here. Now after clicking the click to apply button, you see that we have a new page that is open for us. The page contains the applicant type and then the college index number. So you're going to type in your index number here and add the college index number. At where we have the applicant type, you can leave that. The field there is already diploma in basic education, but at the moment that is the only vacancy that is open. If we have other vacancies open, then we could have that also stated there. So when you click, then you have a drop down of all the vacancies open there. So the vacancy at the moment is just the diploma in basic education. So you type in your index number and then you click on submit. Now after clicking on the submit button, you have a new page open for you. Now at the top here we have all fields marked with asterisk are mandatory. This means that every field that you see with the asterisk sign on it means that that particular field is very mandatory and you need to fill it before you can move on to the next particular page of this application. So we have here the title. You're going to fill in the title. Then here you're going to put in your first name, your surname, and then your previous name as well. Then you also put in your gender, your date of birth, your nationality, your marital status, your phone number, and then your email. You see that the email is not very mandatory here because there's no asterisk against this. Then also you have to fill in your residential address. Then you fill in the educational and certification aspect. Here you're going to type in the name of the school that you attended, the date that you completed that particular school. Now after that, you're going to type in here your NTC licensure number, and you type in your NSS number as well, your Ghana card number, your SMIT number, and then you select the major subject that you offered whilst you are in your school. So these three things, or these four items here, are very mandatory: your NSS number, your SMIT number, and then your Ghana card number. Please, they're not just the numbers, but the documents themselves are equally important, because later in the process you'll be required to submit a copy or a scanned copy of all these particular documents. After filling the certification and education section, the next section you're going to fill is the miscellaneous. This way you select the regions that you want to teach, or the regions that you prefer, and then the districts that you prefer. Additionally, you also select the school that you want, the specific schools that you want to be sent to for teaching. Now take note, notwithstanding the choices made, management reserves the right to post you to where your services are needed most. So do not apply if you are not willing to serve where you are posted to. So irrespective of all the choices that you made here, the region, the district, and the school that you've selected here, management reserves the right to post you to anywhere they feel that your services will be most needed. Now after filling all these areas, the education, your personal information, and then the miscellaneous area, the next thing you're going to do is to click on submit and continue. After clicking on submit and continue, the next page that we have now is to upload all our documents. Here we're going to upload our academic certificate, our NTC licensure certificate. We're going to also upload our NSS certificate, the NTC licensure result slip, and then the Ghana card. So these are the documents that you're going to upload here. Remember also, you see your index number also here, and then that means that you are still on your page and you are continuing the process. So we're going to go through each of them. After uploading each of the files, you put in the file and then you click on upload here. So the upload button is for each of the files. So when you put in, let's say, your NSS certificate, what you need to do now is to click on upload button here for it to be uploaded. So after doing all this, after going through all this process, after filling all these areas and uploading all the certificate, then there's a button that is going to be made available for you at the bottom here to submit your application. So you click on the submit button and then your application will be submitted. So this is the quick video that I'm bringing to you. This to help you go through the process, please, and ensure that you have all these documents available with you before you start the application process. So if you like this video, click the like button, share this video with any of your colleagues that's also getting ready to apply for the GES application or GES recruitment, and then let's hope that this goes through and then you're also able to be placed as a nice place as a teacher. Well, if you enjoyed this video, as I said, share this video, and then we'll see you in our next video.